prism of Ninja Legends, the extensive collection offers a new perspective on the original Chuck Taylor and weapon models while bridging iconic footwear styles with adored characters from the enduring series. The design is based on the characters' distinct look and skills, fusing street style with nuanced storytelling. Beyond superficial illusions, the designs offer a considerate, wearable tribute to the brand with character-coded color blocking and embroidered insignia. With a simple gray top, dark blue accents, and distinctive details like the shuriken on the Converse emblem, this simplified version of the Kakashi theme maintains subtlety. The Kakashi pair has bolder execution and a higher quality canvas. The shinobi's trademark style is made more elegant with dual-tone blocking and embroidered accents. Converse will sell the Naruto Shippuden x Chuck Taylor All-Star Kakashi on May 22, 2025, for $80.